everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making basic slime. What you need is a bowl, some glue. I prefer using Elmer's glue. A spoon, soap and shaving cream. I'm going to use some soap. Some hot water. Fill it about halfway. And some borax. Those are all the ingredients, so let's hop right into it. First thing you'll need is your hot water. Then add 1 spoonful of borax. After we've made our activator, let's get a bowl. Now for the fun part. Let's pour in the glue. Now you want to put the soap or shaving cream in the mixture. Now that that's done, let's add in our activator. Add in a scoop at a time. Now let's mix. After it's all combined, touch it with 1 finger to see if it's ready. If it's not ready, then you need to add more activator. Then mix. I'm going to reveal what it looks like in 3, 2, 1. So this is how my slime turned out. It is a white and fluffy slime. It is very, very stretchy, and I hope all of you guys try this. It is very successful. I love this recipe so much. It's just the best. You should try it sometime. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below what I should do next. Bye!